I was walking along and saw this blessed thistle plant. So to keep us from mowing it, I laid that wood there. And then voila! Let's go to my world. The ice storm almost killed that. So I trimmed all the dead off. I'm resurrecting it. There's my guardian hobbit. My guardian piggy. My guardian wolf over here in the wisteria plant. There's some driftwood stuff for projects. That's perilla herb from my hobbit house. That's forsythia from my hobbit house. Wisteria from my hobbit house. This is going to be my raised, well, not raised, but this is going to be turned into a flower bed. Got my tiki torches. Got some flowers there. My table looks all yucky, but I've been working hard at work, see? Sorted out different flowers here. Got my hay. Made this little arrangement earlier in a live stream. It was broken. And then the other one that was broken was just a kitty head. So I stuck it in here like it's peeking out. It just looks like a kitten, which is something kittens would do. They would do that. So I got this made yesterday and today. Got that all painted. Put some stuff out over here today. This is in memory of all my cats that passed away the past few weeks, and puppies. My beloved Pearl, Shy, Gibby, all those precious kitties gone. The newborn puppies and newborn kitties gone. So that's a memory of them. I brought some logs out to use as planters. Hung some stuff up here. Made this solar light last week, so it's hanging here. Hung that because it's lightweight. Always plant rosemary by your garden gate. It's my bluebird of happiness. Mama's kitchen goose. She would shoot me dead if she knew I had it outside, but I put it out here. This was an ugly thing sticking out, so I hung a mama and baby from it. Remember the two cemetery flowers? Looks perfect in that, don't it? Put it on one of the logs, heavy ass logs I brought from the lake. Put that in there. This has no bottom. The bottom froze and broke in winter one year. So it's perfect to set on top of that. Those I found on the sides of the road. That was given to me. I don't remember where I got that. Shaped up these to look like palm trees. They're walnut trees. Might finish working on this in a little bit. It's very cool right here. Now, I do have a hammock, and I'm going to try to see if I can rig it up somehow, somewhere. Put me a hammock. Wouldn't that be cool? I wonder if I could hook it to my Avion hitch post. This thing. Well, hey! Here's a wind chime I'd laid up there. Wonder if I could tie... that moves some. We'll tie it down here and run it over to the tree. Do you think that would hold a hammock? Kind of short, wouldn't it be? I don't know. I'll see. I shall see. This needs to live somewhere. Little birdie win some. Trying to see what I could hook it on. Could hook it to the tree. Where do I hook it? How about on this broken thing? I try to resurrect this. I've had it for many years. Yeah. Ta-da! I tried to fix it last week and broke all that off. This don't work no more. So it's just a look. Norman Rockwell. Hung a dragonfly. This is a memory of my witch sister, Rachel. But yeah, this is what I've done. Making me a little garden sitting area. Making me a nice, safe little world. No assholes allowed. Peace and love, everyone. Bye.